Hello everyone and welcome to Droneicles FPV. In this channel I will record my journey from a noob to professional even FPV drone pilot. I'm Nicholas and I've never flew a drone before in my life. That's correct. But I've seen all these really nice videos on Instagram, on YouTube with amazing shots, drones flying through the sky, and I fall in love with it. I love flying. I fly in video games and I really like it. So I thought to myself, let's buy one and let's give it a shot. Why not? So the first thing I do, I got a full set with the DJI Avata 2 because all the LLMs, all the AIs told me that this is a great combo to buy for someone who wants to learn and wants good quality video. An extra controller, the controller that is already included there. I got a strap so I can put it around my neck. I got a helipad so I can land it safely with no scratches. I have my headset here, my goggles, and 3 batteries, and a nice case. I got all this bundle used from someone else in a really good price. If you want to learn more about it, I'll make another video. And the first thing I did, before I try to fly, before I try to test it, I went in and I got my flying license from A1 to A3. Because here in the Netherlands where I live, you need to have a flying license to be able to fly legally, and we want to be legal here in this channel, so we got a license. It took me about 2 days and here I am now ready to fly with you. Follow this channel for more updates and let's see, I'm gonna make it a pilot or I'm gonna break my drone. I don't know, we'll find out. Have a good one and thanks for joining.